Welcome to WHITEBOARD Project Management Channel. In this channel, you will learn the tools and techniques used in the project management in a practical way. Prepare your white sheets, grab your cup of coffee, hit subscribe, and let's start the session. In today's episode, I will describe the project management ethics. As a project manager, you need to be aware of project management ethics. For the same time, as you are a project manager, you need to be certified. Once you are certified, that means that you have already agreed and signed the project management ethics. The details of the project management ethics are specified in a special document published by the Project Management Institute. I will leave a link down in the description for the downloading the full document of the project management ethics. Now I will explain the main parts of the project management ethics. As a project manager, you need to be first honest. Be honest to everything what is surrounding you in the project. Those days there are so many corruption between so many parties, especially in some countries over the world. You need to be aware and you need to avoid those corruptions. So the ethics, project management ethics, first is honesty. Be honest. Honest and not go with any corruption and any way leads to the corruption. Stop it. Don't do it. Don't go in that way. If you are facing any problems, you need to inform your top management immediately to make the proper decisions. Each case is different than another. Second, loyalty to work. Loyalty to work means you are loyal to your work. You go to your workplace and you do the work in a proper way. Your work is in your first place. Do not prefer your personal things on your own work, and do not be useless or using like I am not in mind today, I cannot do this job today, or these things. You need to be loyal to your work. You are committed as a project manager to be loyal and make your work in the best way. You don't need to make your work 100%, but you need to make your work as 120%. Right. The third thing is to inform client and top management about every problem. Inform the client about every problem. Once the problem occurred, you need immediately to go to the client and tell him, I have a problem, let's find a way to solve it. So many project managers do a wrong thing that when they have a problem, they don't go to their project, to their top management or to their clients. They don't negotiate together as one team. Yes, there are two parties, as a client and as a contractor, but all of them including all other stakeholders, suppliers, and whatever, they are all as project team, and they have one thing to make it successful, which is the project. So if you hide anything on the client, this could return back on you as a negative impact. Be careful, you don't hide anything on the client, be honest to the client, inform him about everything. Those are only the main things you need to take care of, but there are so many other things specified in the Project Management Institute Code of Ethics where you need to be aware of. I just wanted in this small episode to explain to you that you as a project manager, you are committed to your project management ethics, and you need to go and read the project management ethics in details, understand it, and commit to it. The project management ethics book is issued in so many languages as issued in the Project Management Institute. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you